Conch for days, my peeps. See? One crate come. No barra night today. No barra. Conch for days.
I see my coat can mad as ever.
So yeah, my beautiful people. Yeah man, they out here my peeps, as I say. They out here with some brethren, my peeps, and we're about to go out there and catch and cook, yeah, from the conch dive. Remember me telling you, say the conch them, we did go you a catch and cook with them. Yeah man, so we out here get the conch them clean up. Well, me it's supposed to do the cooking my piece, but due to how I go spearfishing this morning, I come in tired. I feel a pain in my head and things, so I go stay away from the fire heat, you know. Yeah man, so Virgin decides say he might go do the cooking, you know. So as I see in the background in the marina, I get the conch them clean up and thing, you know, because we are going with a file conch. I don't remember who to be exact, asked the part 2 the conch. The conch, the roast conch we do with the roast fish at the seaside. Yeah. Somebody asked the part 2. Yeah man, him know himself, so I eat this way. I drop it my peeps. Show no what I go on, you know. Yeah man, see it there? Conch for days.
Worry.
I have a chef in the kitchen and a great Lazarus.
And Chef Worry.
And Chef, twinny brother, you know.
Yeah man, big up yourself man.
See?
They are beef the conch, you know.
Yeah man, so last time somebody said we have butter them, but we have to beat out the muscle out of them, my peeps, you know. Do 2 a file, we have file them, so we know when we eat it tough, you know. Most people skin them, but we not skin them, you know. We just beat them instead. So we just have to get this out of the way first with people, and then we're going to check in back later. Season, we'll get them seasoned up. Yeah man, see they come for days. Yeah man. Like the people. So we start off back the little cooking, you know. How this my peeps?
I one and only in a wang.
Oh, you see them? Yeah man, smile bright. And such man. Post kidney.
Stick up.
Yeah man, come for days. We have pumpkin there, so some barra there, so we have a curry same way, yeah. Man. You will slice up and beat.
You don't know where you go.
Food later.
Food, you know?
Food for days.
Yeah man, so Twinny I go cook some pumpkin dumpling.
Come on,
yeah. Days are coming.
You see it? Yeah man.
Long side.
You can't make them base, sir?
See it?
I only go eat this time. I not do no cooking. I not feed nobody this time. I want to feed me.
Worry. Can you need flour?
See it? Man, a 3 chefs in a one kitchen, you know, one time, peeps.
It's a judgment,
yeah, man. So we gotta get down a little closer. You know, we have to deal with the food proper, you know. Yeah, man. Wash them off already, we have to wash them off again.
Not because we are fishermen, we clean.
Yeah, man. Last wash off this, you know. It
we do the thing right, you know, because we don't know who going pass through, you know.
Yeah, man. And this is
so fisherman not clean,
cook with pumpkin dumpling, you know.
Clean.
Yeah, man.
Talk like fisherman dirty. There we feed the nation.
Pumpkin pretty, eh? Watch it.
Yeah,
man.
Supposed to eat it like a yam, piece of yam.
Peel it, man.
Look at Tina. Peel it, man.
No, want to skin. Peel
it.
No, hey. Yeah, where's the pumpkin? Here comes from.
How when they tell me say?
You know, so man, I think
I don't know where they talk about. Cutting the cut off.
I see you make cut. Yeah man, we are cut it up, you know. Cut them up in some small slice. Them now go in on a pot, you know, just us go on the grill, you know.
Yeah man, pan the file paper, my peeps, you know. See it? Yeah man, we cut down, then we add it to this and one season up. Now we have the okra, you know, or okra.
Yeah, so you know we are going to deal with the okra now. We are get them up, slice up. You understand? Yeah. And we are going to put them in. We are going to mix them with it and set it up, you know.
Man, get a colourful look, you know. Yeah man, twin in the kitchen cooking. Yeah, man.
Get the okra them up and running, you know. Yeah man. I know, so you are going to deal with it.
Yeah man. Yeah man, now it go catch you know my people. You know about that say go. That's a colourful look. See it? Yeah man.
Yeah, more than sure.
That's the pumpkin and the okra that you know. You see it, we have come down. We have onion left, we have ripe plantain left, we have scallion and thyme left. Add Irish to it, you know. Sweet pepper. And we have carrot. You know?
Me die to the carrot.
Yeah man.
Use this place.
We have 3 chefs in our kitchen with peeps.
Use this.
See it?
Come in like it. I don't shitting like it.
Get rid of your man, you have to get rid of.
Man, we have the Irish as I peel it you know. Yeah, my people.
What do you call this one? You worry?
I'll get some of them.
Man. Yeah man, you know, through file paper we are going to have to cut the Irish them small and some small dices, you know.
Take a time.
Yeah, my people, you see it? Alright. Vegetable the conch now and start everything in one now, you see it?
Yeah man.
Yeah, man, a straight file paper basis man. I set them a set you know. You see it? Yeah man, I twin them man.
Anybody who know about them, I know say I put up.
Yeah man, so you know, so I carrot that the eyesight blessing this you know my peeps. Well, 20 this him now go and go you know. Me like so I go and right here for my peeps. See it? Yeah man, too much of a dingy so. See it? Give it another colourful look, you know. Blame me with the colour of pumpkin and sitting. Yeah man, so we are getting with time you know. See it? Yeah man, with time and with skill you know with people and remember you know we have a ripe plant here so take up my people them see what I go and them hide. We have couple ripe plant, we have some more you know, we drop in hide same you know.
So going at this?
You know that's it they go you know. You see me? And we still have a piece of pumpkin there so we come down with the pumpkin dumplings same you know with peeps. You see it? Yeah man, I did it. Scallion now, you know. Cut it up first. Yeah man. Right, this way there. See you look with people, you say? Oi.
Yeah man. We are getting to together man. Yeah man.
Yeah, man. See
We
it?
come down to the seasoning part, you understand? We are going to deal with the seasoning now. You understand? So watch what I go on here now little. We are dealing with the seasoning. You don't know, we have to make sure say season properly.
Alright.
You understand? Yeah. Alright, watch out now. We are dealing with the skelly and this, you understand? We already dip some in ice, so nobody think of them a little bit. Yeah. We already put some in there already. So you know it go.
So we have the plant over here, so now if we put in it as well.
We are going to deal with the plant next.
Peel them up here now. See it? I will say night to ketchup on a pot here, you know. Cause you see, by the time we don't file up them, you know we go. Night I go catch through my peeps. See planting there.
Nice people, planting, nice.
Yeah, my people. So you know, basically right now we are dashing the plant here now. Now waste some time because I say night I go catch my people and we try to go fast as possible, you know. Yeah man.
You like that one then?
Yeah man. My people, you know, night I go catch you, but I say God, you told me that I make some run round, so you know, businessman see me, I have to make some run round and deliver some fish, see me, because I get some calls, so I have to run up on the flat and go deliver some fish, you know. So you go, but still I go on my people, you know, we out here, I do the right thing, you know, outside.
Hey people, you know, we are set it up now. We are going to store it up too, you know, because we want it to be well set, everything get. A little, you notice the conch, see conch down at the bottom. So we are trying to deal with it. Store him now, seasoning and everything mix. So you know, man. I eat this, we are deal with it, you know. We are set it.
Oh, look, my peeps, so look. Tell me, look. Yeah.
There we go. If you follow the channel and then we know what I'm on.
I remember me tell you, say, somebody, when I subscriber asked me part 2 it, you know, so I did do just that. So now go look up back through the comment section in the next video, next roast conch video, my peeps, and add that person they tag him in the comment section, you know, yeah man, because I can't remember the name to be exact, but somebody asked me part 2 at the roast conch. I go, you know, because you know I couldn't do this without you guys, you know, my peeps. Really appreciate the love and the support, guys, you know. One love, guys. So my back to where we are going with that, so. See? Yeah man. Yeah, my people, so we are doing beer nice, you know. We're not using water, you know. Yeah man, and by roast we are roasting it, it's like a jerk style. Do it in a file paper, you know. Red stripe beer, is it? Yeah man, best thing for you ever use. Yeah man. See it? Bust the next one in the too, you know, you see me? Yeah man. Naturally that pop shot. You see it? Man, red stripe beer we are using, you know, and no water. Yeah, my people. See it?
Seafood original, you know?
Yeah, man, alright, they say them my peeps. So, file paper now, we are going to do it now, we are going to butter the file.
Rub in some butter, you know?
Rub in the butter on the file paper, you read? Yeah man, to keep it moist. That you don't, that you burn and stick the peeps, see it? Yeah man, right this side. So alright my peeps, we're going to see it's a lot. So we now can able to video every file we are going to make. But when you see the video when we start, yeah man, so we just have a video quite a few amount. Maybe 1, 5, 4 parcel. But we don't know what we are dealing with already, you know? Yeah, my people, know what I go on, so stick and stay. Yeah, my people. Alright, my people, you know what we did go on? We did make a mistake. But we don't hide what we do from you guys, supporters. The ones who make we reach where we reach. We did want to add some crackers to it. But basically we never did remember. We did have it in mind from the start. Yeah man, so we get the crackers late. So we are do the do you know. I'm sure no what I go on. See it? Add some crackers to it you know. Alright, they say they see it? Crackers that see it yeah?
Yeah, water crackers.
Natural Excelsior, Jamaica, favorite, water, crackers.
You understand? All in one.
Fat free. Right, they say there.
You know, and create the looks, yeah.
Yeah, man. See it? Well, we had some pan fire already, you know. Due to we try beat the late night something, you know. So, we put some pan fire, my people. Yeah, man. And we have a lot left right here, so. So, they say come. And so when I chef them, they should come a little earlier on to come do the do, but do it. Yeah man, due to the work. Alright, they say come down. And we have mom there so. Yeah man, right there so mom's there, you know. Yeah man, and little princess same way. Yeah man.
Yeah. Shut off your mouth. I'll come at the chat like you make sense. I back up in foolishness. I am saying man.
Right.
Where? Oh, if you right.
Man, damn right.
When?
Yeah.
Me not one. Me not for change it.
So what on base?
Me not for change it, yes
so,
or no?
So I'm not the only one.
You don't have none.
You're robbing.
The man not trust you.
Me not want me for me.
You, cat bad church.
Me not go to church for you.
Somebody
Bag of disappointment, you know. They do one video with peeps and the man and kick off a one fight with people and you can see most of the conch dog they meet up some of it, you see me? All of the man them fight and turn over the whole table with the conch people, you know?
Alright, my peeps, so right here, we have the roast conch them in a file and them are go on good right now. Touch them too much, them burn here, you know. So you know that come down, them wanna kinda soon ready, as you can see. Because then the far over here so come fire. They want to just go out. They want to go nice. But stay tuned with people. When you consume and time you take off the first one, you know I see what go on. Lovely settings, man. Spearfishing with Odane, you know it go.
Yeah, the next one look big one for me, because I'm big enough.
Ready?
Big one on my own, you know. Bad boy. Big one. Right, look, chef.
Yeah man, it look good man.
Nice, nice.
Alright, see it ya? See it ya? This is when I make girl breed. Seafood, see conch ya? Yeah man, lovely man. Yeah man, look beautiful. See it ya? Yeah, go test you and tell you what happen.
Tell me about it.
Yes man.
Ready?
Yes man.
Nah.
When knock is come down?
Mad thing man.
Nah, man.
Big up to the chef, you know?
Yes, man.
Yes.
Yes man, enough respect man.
Yes.
See it there? You have a conch, you have a ripe plantain, you have a crackers,
The okra.
okra,
Yes.
pumpkin,
Carrot.
full of rocks.
Plantain. Alright.
You hot but you know the badness come down to.
Mad.
Alright?
We love it.
I made this from the sea to me. Yeah man. Yes man.
Spearfishing
See
with
that?
Odane.
Big up Turbo, spearfishing, all the way. See them here?
Nah, man.
Alright.
I them a one of them. I them a one of the riders. I them a one of the last go on the grill, my people. Them a one of the last go on the grill. Them a yak.
Them the one already. Them the one already.
This is our last.
Yeah, everything else, everything else except them the last one.
Yes, people. Go and eat up somebody. Come, girl, you
Them
know.
a want to get a little more soap. Man,
Make you breathe and girl, you know. So, we are dealing with you now, you know. Turbo the great fisherman.
Great.
Yeah.
I make this happen right there, so, you know. King Turbo.
Turbo general, you know. You want about
King
this, you know.
Turbo. King Turbo, you need it here, you know.
You see me? Manners and respect.
Go eat up somebody
Be
come,
a
you know.
niceness. Love.
4 to 5 man.
Do you want it far?
Yeah, man.
Everybody has to eat. Yeah, we pay one of my.
You take one with in this.
Nice,
This is the baby maker, you know.
Take up yourself.
nice food.
Right, Sammy?